The popular manga, or anime Japanese phrase meaning, "the moon is beautiful, isn't it?" serves as an indirect way to express love, reflecting the cultural tendency to avoid direct statements of affection. Originating from a popular legend about author Natsume Soseki, who reportedly suggested it as a more subtle translation of "I love you." The phrase has become a cultural touchstone in Japanese literature and pop culture, often appearing in anime and manga to convey romantic feelings. If someone says this to you, common responses include, "I can die happy," to mirror strong affection, "It's true, isn't it?" to show agreement, or more direct compliments like, "So are you." The phrase encapsulates a unique blend of beauty and restraint in expressing emotions within Japanese culture.